if you take this chord, you can break it down into two different triads. So you got a B flat major and you have a D minor. As a guitar player, you can choose which one of these chords to use. Usually the piano player is covering all of this. So you might so you don't have to play those exact chords. You can just for the 4 chord, you have the E flat major triad, and then you have a G minor triad. For the 5 chord, you have a F major triad, and then you have an A diminished triad. So the way this chord will look, this will be a major diminished, this will be a major minor, and this will be a major minor.